This electrical testing equipment is specially designed for all types of USB data cable mass production quality inspection. It integrates multiple electrical testing functions, circuit continuity, open and short circuit detection, wiring sequence error, insulation resistance, DC resistance, and withstand voltage test. Multiple test ports support simultaneous testing of several data cables at once. The built-in display shows real-time path entry results, marking exact fault positions for defective charging and data cables. All test records can be stored and exported for batch quality traceability. It effectively replaces manual multi-step testing, improves production efficiency, and reduces human error. Widely compatible with Type-C, Lightning, micro USB charging data lines. Custom test fixtures and noise parameters are available to match different cable specifications.